I got the seat cover online. I think it was like 19 bucks, 20 bucks. And
stretched it, put it on,
and stapled it. And
nice. It looks good.
Nice. It looks really good.
A girlfriend of mine, she's got. I gave her 3 of them this year. 3 of the 50. Gosh, there's the tubular framed ones.
Yeah.
What are they?
The Express.
Express. That's what it is. She's got 3 of them. She's down at apartments. She might want to sell 1 or 2 of them. She's got 3 of them. One's green, one's red, and the other one's.
He's got 2 of them already, but.
Yeah, I got 2 of them. But...
At one point, he wanted 1 of each color, and I'm like, no.
Yeah, she's got 1 of every color.
We don't want 4 of them.
How's it going?
Hey, hi, Dad.
I got a 125 frame here, the Chinese frame. I'm just gonna scrap it, but it's all here. Forks are right there. I got the motor. Somebody thought they were cool. They broke the clutch and stuff off it. I got another clutch for it. I just don't have the belt. I got that engine there. Exhaust, front tires, whatever. I got this is a Honda Spree engine. It's good. Direct compression. It's just missing a couple of things.
Okay.
The main thing what was missing was the cover. And the reason why I didn't put it on is because it doesn't have a kickstart. It's got electric start only. You have the cover for the gear to gear doesn't pop out. That one's the lead's for sale. That one's for sale. And
what about this one?
This is
does this one run or?
It I'm trying to wire it up. I think the CDI box is bad. I wired it all up 50. Put the motors off a Spree. It didn't quite fit, so I made it fit.
Custom, right?
Nice. It looks a little different. It's got the motor sits back a few more inches than normal.
What about that one? Is that one stock and everything? Or?
Yeah, the Elite's completely stock. All it needs is a battery. I put the back tires flat and the starter froze up. Let me get a battery here.
This is like a 125 or something. You ever have this one running or?
Oh yeah, I had it running. It was given to me when it was running. When it was given to me, then somebody came by and stole some parts off it.
Damn.
So I've got to put a new throttle cable on it. I got the throttle cable in the garage or in the trailer there, and then just a couple little wiring things, and it's ready to go too. But I got 5 cars behind me, and I got a couple across the street, and I just got way too much going on. I can't get to a lot of it.
What is this, a 125 or?
This is the 80.
80? Nice.
The other 2 are 50s. Power come on yet? See all the gauges will, as soon as I get a good connection in. Gauges. Oh, that's right. That's what's on. There we go. The starter froze up, and really, all it really needs, the guy really needs to do to the starter, it froze up from sitting. So it's not a bad starter. What I do is I just buy a can of fucking electric cleaner, aerosol can.
Spray it in there?
Yeah, just take the 2 bolts that tighten up the, they keep the starter motor all together.
Yeah.
Just back them off a couple of threads, just so you can get that
Spray
little
it
red nozzle in there. Just spray the hell out of it, then it'll work.
It's a good tip.
But for some reason this battery must be dead, because I ain't getting no juice out of it. But it all does is quick, because the starter's frozen. Look, these Chinese bikes go brand new. You can get one brand new for 900 bucks. You know,
Yeah.
if you shop around.
He likes the Hondas.
I like-
Hondas.
I've-
Hondas would cost a little bit more. Brand new Hondas like $4,000 or $5,000, a little bit more. So when I get them used like this, when they're beat up like this, I'll sell the Chinese bikes for 100, 150 because they're garbage.
Yeah.
These things here about 250, 300, and something like this. This one here, I'll let it go for 300 bucks. It looks rough, but it's worth it because it's a Honda. Power. Can't tell me both the batteries dead.
I kind of like this, whatever this one is.
That's
This
an Aero 50. It's
Okay.
just missing the plastics.
Is it the same as this?
Yeah, that's an Aero 50 too.
Kind of, yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
it's just a different year or something.
Yeah, this one.
This must be newer or something.
Yeah, this one's a little newer than that one. That one's right after the Spree. That's basically a Spree with the Aero name on it. They came out with that body style 1 year, then they went to this body style
Yep.
here.
Yep.
This has got.
This must be like what, 87?
That's an 87. I believe it says right on it, 87.
Yeah.
Where is it? On the neck here somewhere it says 87. I know it does because I read it. Where was it?
Are you just a mechanic by trade, or are you just a
I've been a mechanic most of all my life.
okay?
I work on too much crap. Oh my! I bought 18 of these things from a guy that was buying them from Speed's auto auction, and he had 18 of them that he collected over the years, and then he wanted to clean out his garage. So he called me up and said, "Hey, David, I know you do small engines. He goes, I got some bikes for you." So I came back and I bought 18 of them. These are the ones I got left.
Good for you. Good deal, right?
Yeah, I did pretty good with it. I gave $600 for all 18 of them. So you know, I got nothing into these, but they got good engines. I just couldn't see scrapping them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're good engines. This one here, I've got pretty much all the parts for it. I got the throttle cable. I got fucking everything's here. It just needs a little bit of wiring.
Yeah, I mean, I might be interested in this one because it would be good to have some extra parts just
You want this
to.
one?
I mean, that would probably be the one that I am most interested in out of.
All right,
out of
that
all
one
of
there,
them,
I'll
but-
let it go for $175.
Jeez. It's a little bit more than I really want to spend on.
You know, if you've got just something you need to put an engine in there, that little engine right there, that's a 50. It's good if you got the side case for it. What I was gonna do to it, just like I did to that one there, I just put a pull cord on it. I just took the other side of it off, took a little plastic fan off, put it off a lawnmower, put a pull cord on it, and that's what I'm doing with that one.
Did you say you swapped the engine out on that one?
Yeah.
Is that
Put a
Spree
spree engine on
Yeah,
that
put a
one.
spree on the engine on it. The spree, see the little swing arm in the back there?
Yeah.
That's what pivots the engine. It pivots that's where it pivots right there.
Yep.
Well, on the Aero 50, they're about 3 inches longer than the.
Is that the same as this, Eric?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that's a elite. This is a elite.
Yeah, that's just like that black one right there. They're
Gotcha.
identical. That one just doesn't have the plastics on it like this.
Mhm.
That's what this one was.
How much would you have to pay for plastic though? Get that thing.
Jeez, they're pretty expensive.
I went. I had one. I just took styrofoam and carved styrofoam out, and it worked pretty good for a little while.
Yeah, sure.
You know, you can put anything over them if you want, you know. But this is what I got, you guys. The exhaust pipe to this bike. Oh, okay, it's already on. I thought it was that one there. That exhaust pipe must go to the big one. Or no, that one goes to that one then.
Anything else you see you need?
No,
Parts.
not really. I mean, none of my bikes really. I don't really need parts right now, but I mean, never hurts to, you know.
Yeah.
I technically don't technically need it, but I mean,
As far as the complete bike, this is a complete quickest one I've got right at the moment.
Yeah.
It just gets the side covers.
It's got
What year is that one from?
this year's. Does it say over there?
I'm more into like the 50s, and I do like some of the smaller 80s. This one's kind of bigger 80. I think they made a couple of these kind of in the 80s.
Yeah, they were 80 cc's. Yeah, I do.
I mean, like if you ever come across any ones that are like a little bit more complete, or I might be interested in. Like if you come across some cheap ones and you maybe get them running, or
yeah, the Hondas. The
Just wanna
Hondas that
sell.
kind of hold
We
on.
can normally our route for a quick moped ride is from where we live over there, and we just come. This is one of the streets we come down. So last night I looked over and I saw that red, and I'm like, hey, wait a minute, I think that might be something.
we're
you're
like
interested
those are
in.
kind of like what we're riding.
I'm a simple guy. I don't need much.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm content. I make enough money. I sell about 200 lawnmowers a year.
Yeah, good.
That's awesome.
and-
That's how I kind of started out. I used to pick them up for free, and then
That's what I do. I pick them up.
fix
for free.
them up. Some of them just need a simple carb clean, and
Yeah, most 90% of them.
Yeah.
Carpet.
then you
And-
got $150 lawnmower, $100
Yeah.
lawnmower.
Yeah, I sell them all day long for 50 to. I can sell them all day long for $50 a piece. They
Yeah,
fly
good
out
for
the
you.
door.
Exactly. Yeah.
And I sell about 200 a year. That's not. I don't get rich.
Yeah.
But I'm content. I mean, I won't say.
Absolutely. Good for you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, and
Yeah, we'll stop by if we see anything else out on the lot, right?
Yeah. I'll have more here in a couple of days. I'll have probably 3 or 4 more.
Yeah.
I get a lot of the Chinese ones because
Yeah.
those things are temperamental, and people
Yeah.
they break
Yeah.
down on people a lot, and they're just giving them away.
Yeah.
pretty much.
Not super reliable, I don't think.
Yeah, no, they're just junk.
Yeah.
I don't recommend any-
Electrical problems.
Yeah, I don't recommend anybody
CDI.
even buying one.
Avery
really.
usually looks for used Hondas that aren't running, and then if you can get them for 100 or 150, then he'll fix them up and sell them.
Yeah, I like the
600.
80s, 70s and 80s Hondas, 50s and 80s.
Yeah. A girlfriend of mine, she's got. I gave her 3 of them this year. 3 of the 50. Gosh, they're the tubular framed ones.
Yeah. Right,
What are they,
right, the Express.
Express. That's what it is. She's got 3 of them. She's down at apartments. She
Mm.
might want to sell 1 or 2 of them.
Hmm.
She got 3 of them.
I
One's
kinda-
green, one's red, and the other one's.
He's got 2 of them already, but.
Yeah, I got 2 of them. But
At one point, he wanted 1 of each color, and I'm like, no.
Yeah,
we
she's
don't
got
have
1 of every color. It
We
seems
don't
like.
want. We don't want 4 of them. They're fun, and they're nice for like my daughter to ride and stuff.
Yeah.
They
You
don't
know
go
what?
very fast.
Those things go about as fast as one of these little guys do down here.
Yeah.
One of these little guys. They
Yeah.
almost.
This
pretty-
one, are we going about 40 in these?
close,
That's why he likes these. They
37,
go a little
30.
bit faster than the.
These seem to
Yeah,
be
the
the fast, a
Express.
little faster than the Elite. I mean the Spray.
Yeah.
Spray
the
just
Spree-
doesn't quite go fast enough, you know.
You know, you're not gonna be racing that. I love riding mopeds, bro. They're
I
fun.
got this up
Some
somewhere in
technical
the
fun.
Skyline, and it didn't have this panel on it, and then he found the
Panel was like
panel on eBay or
70
something.
bucks for that.
Just for
dang
this
panel.
piece.
Yeah.
$70 for the
Crazy.
Yeah, the
panel.
plastics is expensive.
It was the only one online, and nobody else. I reached out to some people. Nobody had that panel, so I just had to bite the bullet. I mean, I got the bike cheap enough that I was able to.
Right. Offset the cost.
Yeah,
Pretty
offset
little
it.
bike
But
too.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
funky.
really nice.
It keeps up with this one pretty good. Painted this one and redid it all. It used to be basically looked just like that when he got it.
yeah, it was.
But it had the
pieces
plastics
and-
with it.
Yeah.
This
I mean,
plastic right
the
here-
plastics aren't. The
plastic's
plastics aren't
broken right
great,
here, but
so I
I've got some front brake shoes.
Nice,
couple
nice paint
cables.
job, man.
Yeah.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice,
did it
nice
the rally
Thank
camp.
you.
One of these need anything? Any parts?
Cool.
I got some throttle cables, whatever you need. If you need something.
Did you make the seat yourself? Did you stretch
I got the seat. I got the seat cover online. I think it was like 19 bucks, 20 bucks, and
Stretched it, put it on, and-
stretched
and,
it,
and
stapled it, and
Nice,
It looks good.
nice.
Looks
Really good.
Hey, Dave, nice to meet you. Okay, all the best.
yeah. See you guys.